Soarizon came up as an idea working with a number of large enterprises to try and unlock the potential for drones. What we were able to do is work with those companies. We identified an opportunity for developing a digital, secure, global platform.
Yes, okay, Mike, but you've got to make it a bit more hectic than that. Let me take it from here. This is the story of Soarizon, the intuitive, trusted digital platform developed by Mike and his squad to plan, prepare, assure, and deliver safe and compliant drone operations anywhere in the world. To develop such an innovative idea, Mike knew where he needed to go. The Thales Digital Factory. There, he was able to create the perfect team, an international team based on motivational and behavioral skills, as well as the required technical ones. And he says it himself.
So I think my team's great.
The Digital Factory allowed them to benefit from its different ways of working, its agile approach to developing MVPs with freedom to invite, the opportunity to try new things, and the possibility to test and size the market. And there you go. Because our man Mike had the courage to try new things, his approach is now a global one. Oh, yeah, after this, the project went on to other heroic hands, those of the Thales AVS team, to be developed as a global business. And now it seems only fair to let our hero have the last word.
So thanks to the Digital Factory, I got a really good opportunity to develop this user-centered product, which we're now launching into the market.
Will you be the next superhero? There's only one way to find out.